Welcome to our explainer video on the invoicing process. In this video, we'll guide you step by step through this crucial process in the business world. So, let's take a closer look. What is the definition? In short, the invoicing process is the method of generating and sending invoices to customers for products or services rendered, including transaction details and payment terms, to facilitate timely payments. What is the process? Step 1. Invoice issuing. After completing a service or delivering a product, it's time to create and send the invoice, outlining transaction specifics like items, quantities, prices, and payment terms. Step 2. Customer authorization. Upon receiving the invoice, a customer meticulously reviews it for accuracy before authorizing payment, an essential measure for averting potential disputes. Step 3. Customer payment. Once the invoice is approved, the customer pays promptly, transferring money via credit card, bank transfer, or other methods. Step 4. Invoice compliance. Before finalizing, it is ensured that the invoice includes vendor and customer details, meets terms and conditions, displays accurate monetary amounts and taxes, and complies with laws. Step 5. Data record. The last activity is to archive the invoice. It's vital to record the transaction for future reference and accounting purposes. Maintaining meticulous records aids in financial tracking and tax preparation. And there you have it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, like and share our explainers. Get more at www.suppliersplatform.com.